since I still have 70%, let's try this one more time just for verification.
I can't get a...
I know.
Okay.
So, alright, let's try and lift off once again. Hopefully before it gets too dark out.
And hopefully while we still have battery power storage in the recording device.
Okay, so we're going to go up. Let's try another height of 35 meters. I am now, whoops, at a height of 50 meters. Let's go down a little bit.
Do you have the GPS lock again?
I do. I am also GPS locked. So I am now at 35 meters. And I have 3 Wi-Fi lights. Alright, let's go for it. Bye-bye! Hopefully not for the last time. $200 meters. We're still good. I got 2 Wi-Fi lights. Make sure I'm in the center here. 400 meters, 1 Wi-Fi light. Let's slow down a little bit. A little laggy at 542 meters. 1 Wi-Fi light at 500 and or 600 meters. Ooh, and a sketchy car over there. And we are at still 700 meters, 1 Wi-Fi light. Uh, 800 meters. Very laggy. Let's stop for a second. See if I can retain Wi-Fi. Ooh, it's very sketchy. Why don't you get a video of that?
I can't see it.
Yeah, I got it. So it's very glitchy. Oh, I think it's telling me my Sky controller is giving me noises, but as you can see I have 1 red Wi-Fi light, but I'm not getting any errors on the screen. That's the same as before. I haven't gotten any errors whatsoever. So at this point, as you can see, I am at a good 838 meters away, and Sky controller says, oh, screw you. Alright, let's try and go a little bit farther. Oh, yep, Sky controller giving me the same warning, but nothing from the phone. Very laggy picture. And I believe, once again, at 874 meters, I have just lost connection. There we go, folks. I have just lost connection. So, hopefully it should be back here soon. Yep, Sky controller telling me that